Hello and welcome in this new video. Today we are going to turn some drawings into reality using only Photoshop. In this video we are going to turn something like this into something like this. Using all of these images. Let the fun begin. First we are going to make selection using pen tool. We are going to select the left leg. Going to group this and name it body.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to.
Leg, using cat leg. That's it. And for the arms, I use frog skin. No, sorry, this is for the cheeks. Now make it smaller and change the opacity to match the mind body. That's it. Now we are going to use mask, of course, to hide unnecessary parts to blend it better. That's it. This is much better. group that. Now for the arms. Again, we are using frog skin for the arms. Just make selection and we'll adjust that after. Clip it to the right arm and the left arm. That's it. Make it smaller to better fit on the arm. Then repeat procedure on the left arm. Something like this. Yes, something like this. Okay. That's it. Now we are going to match the color of the main body. Using hue saturation, we are going to apply on the left and the right arm. Here we go. Now for the ribbon, we are going to add something like this, using pen tool to extract the object. This looks kind of cute, something like girlish or girl or something like that, I don't know. We're going to match the object using warp pen. Now I don't like real skin on the arm. I replace this with the cat fur. This looks like more natural. That's it, that's more like it. Now we're going to adjust a little more the legs. We're using fur brush to add some edges to seem more realistic. That's it. And for the arms, of course, too. Something like furby, hairy. That's it, that's more like. Now we're going to add some background. Beautiful forest, sunrise or sundown, I don't really know. I think it's sunrise. I changed the color of the whole body to be like more like girlish or girl. Now we are going to add some shadows below the main subject or the monster, call it whatever you want. This looks kind of cute, just kind of. But those scary eyes, I don't know. Now we are going to add some shadows and highlights of the main body and some adjustments. I speed up this part a little bit. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.